Ready to revolutionize your backup process? Upgrade to ViTL and experience seamless transformative performance. ViTL isn't just an update, it's a game changer for your LaserVault UBD. Enjoy backup speeds up to a blazing 850 megabytes per second with ViTL and get faster, more reliable recovery of your data. Say goodbye to long waits and hello to efficiency. With up to 64 virtual drives per fiber channel connection, the multi-thread feature in ViTL supercharges your backup process. Eliminate delays, boost productivity, and get improved features and greater flexibility. Concerned about compatibility? Rest easy. ViTL emulates LTO 5 and 8, and even LTO 2 and 3. Keep in mind that newer IBM I systems require LTO 5 and up, and no longer support the older LTO versions. Like UBD, ViTL is user-friendly, keeping backup management easy and streamlined. Your IBM I operations are fully supported. The transition? Effortless. No disruptions, no headaches, just a smooth upgrade that keeps your workflow running smoothly. ViTL isn't just the next step, it's the ultimate step. ViTL enhances administrator control, giving you the power to create users and groups while restricting access to specific libraries, ensuring tighter data security. If you're using UBD with BRMS, you'll love ViTL. It integrates with BRMS more seamlessly than UBD, giving you smoother backup management. Planning an IBM I system upgrade? ViTL accelerates the process, reduces downtime, and helps you sidestep potential challenges. ViTL supports easy cloud replication for added data protection. Seamlessly replicate backups to platforms like Microsoft Azure, Amazon S3, and Wasabi, because having an additional copy is the gold standard in data management. ViTL enables deduplication in your backup processes, lowering storage costs and reducing network traffic. Pair ViTL with LaserVault ViTL, our integrated add-on, or with external deduplication appliances like Cohesity, Rubrik, Exagrid, Pure Storage, and more. ViTL supports QLogic 8 and 16 GB HBA, enabling NPIV for emulating multiple devices like tape drives and libraries over a single physical connection. This maximizes the use of the full bandwidth of the fiber channel connection, improving capacity management while reducing your overall overhead. For unmatched reliability, speed, and flexibility, choose ViTL. Upgrade today and unlock the better future of backups. With ViTL, your backups are not just secure, they're supercharged for ultimate performance. At LaserVault, our mission is to deliver the most reliable backup and recovery solutions for your IBM power systems. That's why we recommend upgrading from UBD to LaserVault ViTL now, ensuring seamless backups and safeguarding against delays when emergencies arise. To receive a quote or schedule a free demo, contact us at info@laservault.com or call 800-446-283 extension 1.